All right, y'all, another fun and quick tutorial for you today. So we're going to start off with two pieces of cardstock that measure at 10 by 10 and a half, and we are going to be scoring it at 4 inches on all four sides. Then we're going to go ahead and fold on those score lines, and we're going to start making some cuts. Now we're going to work on releasing our flaps, so we're going to cut out these outer 4 squares. Now, of course, these flaps are going to be bigger than the actual body of the box. So what you're going to do is you're going to cut it in half. So as you see, I'm going to go up the score line to meet to the next score line. And then I'm going to cut like about half of it off. And then as you start to line it up, you can see if you need to cut more off or not. We're going to do this on all 4 corners. And when you start to fold the box together, you're going to get something that looks like this. And you're going to do this to your other 10 by 10 and a half. Now you're going to grab your next piece of cardstock. And this one's going to measure 7.5 by 11. And don't worry, this information will be down below in the description box. You don't know how many times I got people who always ask me about measurements, and they're always in the description box down below. All right, so again, we are going to work on releasing the flaps. Now we do have bigger side on this one, so depending on how you actually cut it, you won't have to worry about cutting your little flat pieces in half. But if you end up cutting it the wrong way, no worries, just cut them in half like we did on the first one. And then you're going to have another piece of cardstock where it's going to measure 7.5 by 11, and you're going to just go ahead and repeat. Now we're going to work on the base. I have a piece of scrap chipboard that was 5 by 5. That's where I got the idea with everything. And you're going to take your 2 narrow square ones. You have your middle one and you have your short one. And you are going to attach it to your chipboard piece. Now you don't have to use chipboard. I just so happen to be using chipboard, but whatever tickles your fancy. So you're going to put it in order as such. Now that that's done, I have 2 scrap pieces that measure 1 by 12 from my paper collection. And I'm going to take some brads. I'm going to poke a hole in the front here and in the back. So this is where we get the whole overall thing. And, oh, did I mention the title with my overall caddy? Yeah, that's where I got the idea, was with these straps that I have going on here. So I'm just going to go ahead, poke the holes, and then I'm going to apply my brads. Now, when you have all of that done, we go to our favorite part, and that is the decorating process. Now, one thing's for sure, two things for certain. Your girl's gonna show up and show out, okay? I will tell you a joke, but I'll never tell you a lie. And this is how she came to be. So much fun. I love it. So again, it's a super simple project, but how you decorate it is really what brings the project to life. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Make sure you put a comment down below. Don't forget to like, follow, subscribe, and share. And you know what? Tag me if you make this. I want to see what you come up with. All right, until next time, guys. Bye.